Every year on October 31st, India celebrates National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas to honor Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a key leader in the independence movement and the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of India. Known as the Iron Man of India, Patel is celebrated for uniting over 560 princely states into a cohesive nation. Born on October 31st, 1875 in Nadiad, Gujarat, Patel transitioned from a successful lawyer to a prominent public figure, leading the Kedra Satyagraha in 1918 and earning the title Sardar during the Bardoli Satyagraha in 1928. National Unity Day serves as a reminder of Patel's values, unity, integrity, and inclusiveness crucial for India's diverse society. Highlights of the day include the Run for Unity, a marathon promoting national solidarity. National Unity Day first observed in 2014 and this year marks the 10th National Unity Day with Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurating major development projects in Ekta Nagar, Gujarat and participating in tributes to Patel. A symbol of his legacy, the Statue of Unity inaugurated on October 31st, 2018 stands as the world's tallest statue at 182 meters, celebrating Patel's vision for a united India. National Unity Day is more than a commemoration. It is a call to action for all Indians to embrace unity and work towards a harmonious society. As we reflect on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's legacy, let us strive to celebrate diversity and uphold the spirit of oneness in our great nation.
కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కు ఉపయోగపడే ఇలాంటి జీకే కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ని ఎప్పటికప్పుడు తెలుసుకునేందుకు మీ ఫోన్లో డైలీ బైట్స్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ యాప్ను డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. ఈ పోటీ ప్రపంచంలో నిరంతర అప్డేట్గా ఉండండి.